So students, let's start with the first type of simple permanent tissue or the supportive tissue. Beside giving support to the plant body, it plays a major role or major function to store food, water and nutrient. It means it plays a major role as a storage tissue or storage cells also. So let's see its structural characteristics. First of all, this word parenchyma derived from a Greek word which means the first part paren came from the word para, that means beside, and the second part comprises the word chyma which came from the word enchyma which means infused. So together if we see, it means beside, infused or inside the plant body. So if we see its structure, it says that the parenchymatic tissues, they are made up of thin cellulosic wall. Cellulose is a special sugar that helps in the building of plant cell wall. And the shape of these parenchymatous cells may be oval, round or polygonal. So here in the diagram, I would show you that the cells are big or small, they are round. One of them or two of them are oval also. So they are made up of one type of cells, as I have told you this earlier. Now the second point is that it has a large central vacuole. The cytoplasm and the nucleus is towards the periphery. How is it so? You may see this in between the vacant space. This is the vacuole. This is the large central vacuole. And towards the periphery, near the cell wall, you may see that the cell cytoplasm is present, and you may see that nucleus is also there. So the reason behind that the cytoplasm and the nucleus is towards the periphery, the reason behind this is the vacuole is big and central and contain or store large amount of water, and therefore push the cytoplasm and nucleus towards the periphery. And the last point of structural feature, it says that spaces in between. So spaces in between or intercellular spaces are present. So again, let's see or have a look on it, that see, these are the intercellular spaces. Between two cells you may see that light green region is present. Light green region is nothing but the intercellular spaces, which makes the tissue, the layer of this parenchymatic tissue, more spongy. Now let's see its distribution. It is universal. That means parenchymatic tissue is present in all plants and plant parts. Mostly constitute the softer part, that means leaves and tender young stems. And functions, I have already told you that they play a major role to store food, water and nutrients. So this was all about the parenchyma or parenchymatic tissue.